How to change your video background as a content creator. This background you are seeing on this video is actually not real. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you practical steps on how to achieve a studio background like my own. Do you want to be a content creator and you don't like the background of your house and you want to make use of an amazing background like this? In this video, I'm going to be guiding you practical steps on how to change your video background to studio background or to any other background of your choice. All you just need to do is share this video and let that benefit. All right, let's go. All right, so go ahead and open your CapCut, okay? Then you're going to click on new video. Now, what you need to know is that you're going to be seeing video and photo. So click on photo. So when you open this way, you're going to pick the background that you have just downloaded. So we are using this particular background. So now I'm going to remove the watermark from the video. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is this picture or this my background is actually short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate it and then extend this to the duration of the video I want to overlay it. Okay. So now, after I've done that and I discover that everything is fine, I think this is 20 seconds stretch. So I'm going to click on overlay. Then I'll click on add overlay. In order to pick video, you see, you click on video. You know you were in photo before, so go back to video, and then this is the video we are picking. Okay, so after picking the video, I will click on add. All right, so now when you have the video in, the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be expanding the video to properly scale on the background. You can see I've properly scaled the video to match the background. So after I've done that, I'm going to activate the video down. So after activating it down, I will go right and look for remove BG. So you can see your remove BG, right? So go ahead and click on remove BG. So when you click on remove BG, you're going to be seeing auto remover. So you go ahead and click on your auto remover. So the moment you click on auto remover, automatically the background will be removed. And now you have just changed your video background. So after doing this, I will come here again and make sure that the background and the video match. So I'm going to split the background and then delete and make sure so that everything can be equal. So everything now is equal. So I'm going to preview my video to see how it's going to look like, and this is how my video is going to look like. So when you play it, you can see my background have changed. All right, so now after doing this and you see that everything is fine, the next thing you can go ahead and do is what you export your video. Is as simple as that. Remember, step one of what you need to do is you go online. You can go any of the websites, download those amazing background you want to use for your video. So after you have downloaded it, then you now record your video. So after recording your own video now, you bring the first thing you have to do is to bring in the picture, which is your background. You bring in your background first. So after bringing your own background first, the next thing you are now going to do is now you click on your overlay to bring your own video now that you want to remove the background. So when you bring the video in, you can now remove the background and you see that everything will match. Now, peradventure, maybe you want to use maybe like 2 to 3 background. The same way you just put the 3 background first before putting your video on it. All right, so please, this is how you actually change your video background. So please share this video and let's have benefit. All right, thank you.